All right. So we want to convert a value that have a decimal point from base 2 to base 10. How do we do it? Converting from a value that have a decimal point from base 2 to base 10. Simple. This is a procedure. You bring 10.1001 base 2. Now, you put it in an expanded form. In an expanded form. Remember, it is in base 2. So you put it in an expanded form. Start with the tenth and the unit and the tenth before you go to the decimal part of it. So you have 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2, right? Remember, before the decimal, you start by saying 0, 1. 0, 1. So plus this 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Yes, it is ethic, but no problem. It is very simple to solve. Now watch. From this decimal point here, it will be having power negative. So this one here will be having negative 1. This one will be having negative 2. This one will be having negative 3. And this one will be having negative 4. So we want to terminate all those ones that are being multiplied by 0, like this value now. This 0 times this is already 0. This one. So this one will go away. This one will go away. Now this implies this is what I'm going to be having. I have 1. I have 1 times just normal 2. 1 times normal 2. Okay. 2 plus this whole stuff automatically will go away. So I have plus 1 times 1 over 2 plus this will automatically go away. This will automatically go away. Then I have plus 1 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of what? 4. Okay? Which I have. This implies that I have 2 plus this times this. 1 times 1 over 2 will still give us 1 over what? Over 2. Plus 1 times this will give us, there's a plus here, plus, it will give us 1 over 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 16. So you have 1 over 16 here. 1 over what? 16. So at this point, we want to convert. This is not the final conversion. We want it to be in base 10 format. So what do we do? This one has automatically, let's just make everything to become a fraction. You know we have 2 over 1 as a fraction plus 1 over 2 as a fraction plus 1 over 16 as a fraction. Okay? 1 over 16 as a fraction. So what should be the LCM? The LCM will be 16. So use 16 to multiply each of them. 16 goes to this value. We give us 16. Now, what I'm trying to say, use 16 to multiply each of this value. 16 times this. 16 times this will give us 16 times 2 will give us 32. 16 times this will give us, this implies that 16 times 2 will give us 32 plus 16 goes to this. Now 16 times 1 will give us 16. Divided by 2 will give us 8. Plus, remember the LCM is 16. 16 times 1 will give us 16. Divided by 16, we automatically what? Give us 1. Okay? So 32 plus 8 plus 1 will give us 41, right? Give us 41. Will give us 41. This all divided by the 16, right? Which is equal to 41 over 16. 41 over 16. How many times can 41 goes to 16? We have two whole number, 9 over 16. 9 over 16. Or let's just take it direct. 41 divided by 16 will give us 2. Should I use or? Is equal to 2.5625. Approximately, I can approximately do 2.56 or 2.563. You are still correct, okay? So this is how we convert. When you have a decimal point, you are converting from base to our. So this is like you are converting. This is base what? Base 10. Okay, so I can now say, finally, therefore, I have 10.1001 base what? Base 2. Base 2 is now equal to 2.525 base 10. It's my final answer. Okay, so this is how we convert from a decimal point, which is having a base 2, to base 10. So thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comment below, and I will answer your questions. Thank you very much.